Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing question number 6b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238. Kindly save this number for future purpose also. 6b question number is 6b. Conduct a survey of at least 10 households in your neighborhood to identify the use of any medicinal plant by them. Collect the information in given format. So here the information given and in this table. So we have to analyze the information collected and prepare a report on the use of medicinal plants in my area. So this question is taken from the lesson 25, and we have to prepare on this topic, and we have prepared actually for the other subject also and this also. If you need this, contact us today, so we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.